In today's video, I will teach you how to touch up eyes in any photo using PicMonkey. Let's get started. There are multiple tools in PicMonkey that you can use to make the eyes of your subject pop more. Once you've uploaded the image in PicMonkey, go to the sidebar and open the Touch Up tab. Now, scroll down until you reach the eyes category. Here, you have a total of 7 tools to touch up your subject's eye. First is the Eye Brighten tool, which you can use if the subject's eye is too dark or unsaturated due to bad lighting of the photo. Feel free to change the brush style as well as the brush size according to your subject's needs. Apart from that, you can also adjust the hardness and strength of the brush, but the most important adjustments that you need to make are the lighten and fade slider. The lighten option determines how much lighter you would like to make the eyes of your subject. You can even apply the effect first before adjusting how much brightness you would like to apply. The fade slider, on the other hand, determines how subtle or intense you would like the effect to be. If you wish to remove the effect on some areas, you can simply switch to the eraser mode. This option is available on every effect that has a brush mode. Next is the eye tint, which we have a separate video on, so make sure to check it out. Moving on to the mascara. This tool doesn't allow you to draw new eyelashes, but it allows you to make your eyelashes pop more by increasing the contrast and saturation on the area where you apply it. Most of the time, you will only need to adjust the brush size, hardness, strength, and intensity of the effect. Now, the eyeliner tool allows you to draw an eyeliner if you set the hardness, strength, and intensity level at around 90 to 100%. However, this tool is tricky to do with a mouse, so I highly suggest only using it to emphasize the eyelashes and to add some dimension to the subject's eye. Next is the eyeshadow tool, which you can use to add dimension and color on the subject's eyelids. You can either use the color presets available, or you can switch to the color spectrum to find a more specific color that you want. For this tool, I highly suggest keeping the hardness and strength below 50% so that you can have more control over the effect unless you want a more intense color payoff. For the eyebrow pencil option, make sure that the hardness and strength are only at 30% or below and keep the fade value above 50% for a more natural looking eyebrows instead of making them blocky. There are 6 color presets available on the palette, but you can find a more specific color on the color spectrum. I highly recommend using the eyedropper tool to pick up the natural color of your eyebrows or the natural tint of your hair. Lastly, the red eye remover works best for those images taken with a flash or film camera. This effect cancels out the red in the subject's eye by applying a green tint. You can simply adjust each parameter to whatever suits your subject the best. Make sure to also adjust the fade value if the effect is too harsh. Here's the before and after of the eye touch-up. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.